Hi guys, hey everyone. I haven't seen you for a lot of time, so I guess that you miss me all. And today you see that I'm working on the IQ option platform. That's why I've decided to show you how to work with two indicators. They are fractal indicator and parabolic SAR. So let's go ahead and I show you how it works. So you see this circle in sign, and here we can choose indicator that we want to work with it. So the first one, fractal, I'm gonna change only the color, and the next one will be parabolic SAR and apply. So, what we see on the screen actually, these blue points, actually it is parabolic SAR. What does it mean? It indicates current trend. So we see the direction, and this is it helps us to make our bet. And actually, the candles that they are really important in working with these two indicators. So I'm gonna show you two steps working with these indicators. So the first one for buy put option. We have to wait for a moment when we see, for example, here is a good moment actually. When parabolic SAR is at the bottom, at the bottom of the candlestick, is under the candlestick, yep, and the direction is falling down. So you have to understand it. And that is good moment to buy put option and good moment for buying call option. For example, right here, no, not right here. Um, for example, I'm searching for it. Okay. Even for example, right here, you see these three green candles. Yep. So that is good moment when you see that parabolic SAR is on the top of the green candle, and the direction of these green candles is growing up. So that is moment for you to buy call option. Fractal shows possible reversal, and when you see, for example, one of these arrow signs, that is only good for you to wait just one or two candles. It will be enough, and after start your work again. Okay, so my first amount will be $100, and I'm waiting for a moment when I can make my bet. Okay, so right now we see that parabolic SAR is under the candles, but I need actually to know the movement of the candles. So if I want to buy put option, I need the red stick candle getting closer to the parabolic SAR, but I have to wait just a little bit. That's my tip for you, because sometimes the candles can be unpredictable. So okay, I've just bought put option. The candlestick was getting closer to the parabolic SAR, and expiration time. Okay, good. So you see, good. $92 in my pocket, and we're gonna continue. So you don't have to run, hurry up, just sit, relax, and think just a little bit. Okay, so right now we see that parabolic star is on the top of the candle, so I'm waiting when the candlestick will be growing up to the parabolic star. And this is also good for you. This is like trader's mood indicator. You see in percents how many percents each trader um, want to buy actually his options, and here you can see it. Okay, so that is good, but I want to, okay, so I've just bought call option because the candlestick was growing up and was getting closer to the parabolic star indicator. Come on. Uh, okay, we're gonna work with it. So the next amount will be bigger because I want to cover my results, and it will be 180. So this is fractal possible reversal, and I wait 2 candles, and on the third candle I guess I will think where and when I will buy the option. Okay, and expiration time begins. 20 seconds left. 10 seconds left. Come on! 5 seconds left. I'm nervous, just a little bit. And good. 165. That is good. And I go back to my previous amount, $100. It is my initial position in almost cases. So you see 2 basic steps how to work with parabolic SAR. And let's move on. Okay, here we see that parabolic SAR is under the candles, so I'm waiting the direction of the candles should be falling down to the candle. Oh, to the candle, to the parabolic SAR. That's not good. Seriously? Oh my gosh. Come on, 2 and 1. Yep. $92, guys. I'm the lucky one. Okay, let's move on. Three, two, and one. Good. $84. Okay. So you see actually how it works. We have two basic steps. For buy put option, we need the parabolic SAR be at the bottom of the green stick candle. Vice versa, for buying call option, we need this position when the direction of the green stick candle is growing up and the parabolic star is on the top of it. Okay, I will wait just a little bit because I'm not sure. You see that everything may change in several seconds. Okay, so we may see that trader's mood indicator shows us that 74% bought call option, but I will wait just a little bit, but I'm gonna to wait. Okay, I've bought call option. Green stick candle is getting close to the parabolic star, so I hope that it will rises. Just a little bit. It is too nervous moment. Come on! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Done, folks. Oh my gosh! Result. Okay, it happens. It happens, but I'm not the kind of person who want to give up. Okay, again. Remember that everything here may be unpredictable. The direction of the trend, candlesticks. So you have to know the information, how you can use each indicator and your own decisions and feelings. It's all up to you. See, $84, guys. So that is how works parabolic SAR. I'm glad that you are watching my video. I'm waiting for your comments, for your opinions, and don't forget to click on the bell sign button. Thank you for your attention. See you on the next time.